Children, good morning. Two worksheets over. This is the third worksheet of mathematics, chapter 1 only. What is long and what is round? What is long and what is round? So, roll and slide. Tick the object which can roll. Here, what is this? This is one rounded item. Okay. So, this will roll or slide. It will roll. So, roll means you write here roll. Which can roll? This is roll, no? So, put a right mark. This won't roll, it slides. So, put a wrong mark into. This won't roll. This also put a wrong mark. Then second one, tick right on the object which can slide. Which can slide means first one can slide. Clock also will slide. On these two, put right. But battery it rolls. So it is wrong. Third one, color object which can roll. You have to color whichever color you like. Bat. It can't roll. Okay. So leave it. Okay. So this it will cycle wheel. So it will roll. So put it, give some color. Chalk box. It won't roll. Okay. So there you leave it. These two you leave, and to the wheel, cycle wheel, you apply some color. Then fourth one, circle the object which can slide. Here slide means put a tick mark or put a circle around it. Okay. So this is what a matchbox. It can't roll. So put a, it slides. So put a round around it. And this is what? Cone. Jokers, they wear it on the head. So this is what? It will roll. So leave it. And this is ball. This is also will roll. It won't slide. This pencil. This is also rolls. So only matchbox. You put a tick as it slides. Okay. Right. Then children, what is long and what is round? Okay. This is worksheet 4 of the chapter 1 only. Draw or paste the things in the table given below. One has been done for you. Things which roll. Things which slide. Things which both roll and slide. Okay. Here, first one is done for you. Things which roll. Pot can roll. Things which slide. Things, this is a box. Things which is an apple is given. Okay. This it can roll as well slide. So other items which you think, write in the B which can roll. A ball you can write. C which can roll. Road roller or a tube light. These are all rollers you can write. Things which slide. Anything, your compass box, your textbook, or any other hard items, duster. Okay. Duster. These things, they'll slide. Things which both roll and slide. Both roll and slide. Which roll and slide? Here apple can roll and slide. So such items, tell me which roll. Water bottle, round water bottle, that will roll as well as slide. Okay. And what other things? Rounded Goa, jam pandu we say in Telugu, na? That one also will roll as well slide. Okay. So these items. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Long or round. A pencil is dashed and its bottom is dashed. Pencil is long because it is long, no, it has length, and its bottom is round. Its bottom is round in shape. So B, long objects have dash and can dash. They have edges and can slide. Long objects have edges and can slide. Okay. A bat is dash and a ball is dash. Bat is long and a ball is round. Balls are round in shape now, so round. An ice cream cone has one corner and has flat bottom surface. Okay, bottom surface. Right. Round objects have no corners but can roll. Round objects have no corners but can roll. A book can slide and an egg can roll. A book can slide and an egg can roll. An apple can roll and a chocolate can slide. We can slide down a slope and roll on a pole. Okay, then a candle is a cylinder and a chalk box is cube. Candle is a cylinder, round in shape, no, like tube light. So it is cylindrical, and a chalk box is cube. Cube means cube like a box. A can is soda can is cylindrical and a dice is cube. Okay, very good.